What's up, men? And today, we will restore this Mercedes BRABUS 800. It seems like it has been standing here for a long time, but it's okay. My hands will give this old man a second chance at life. Everything is falling off in it. The headlight fell off. It itself is in terrible condition. Maybe it floated. We have a broken windshield. It is of course subject to replacement. The price of a new one is about $3,000. The Mercedes badge has apparently gone somewhere to live its own life. The entire interior is covered in dust, but it itself is in quite good condition. Will someone have a Coca-Cola? It is also clear that it has been standing under this tree for quite a long time. It is covered in leaves and mud. Let's try to start it. Oh no, it won't start. We hook up the crocodiles to wake him up, drop the transmission, and take him to the tow truck. A few photos for memory. He is in my workshop. We start restoring. The first thing you need to do is wash him.